What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best dash cams in 2023. Through the comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for the best dash cams for your car, and you'll know exactly the best product for you by the end of this video. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. On my list, the 5-number dash cam is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. That can help you monitor your car and vehicle while you're away. Let's dive right in. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its tiny size. It's about the same size as a car key and mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror, so it goes virtually unnoticed. You don't have to worry about it obstructing your view while driving. The Dashcam Mini 2 captures 1080p video with a wide 140-degree field of view, ensuring you get a clear and detailed recording of any incidents on the road. The Garmin Clarity HDR optics enhance the image quality, so you can see crisp details day and night. Another impressive feature is the voice control functionality. You can use spoken commands, available in multiple languages, to save videos, start-stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. It's a convenient hands-free option that adds an extra layer of safety. The Dashcam Mini 2 automatically uploads saved videos via Wi-Fi to the secure online vault, so you can easily view and share them later. Plus, with the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone, you can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring, and even sync up to 4 dash cams for more comprehensive awareness around your vehicle. Now let's talk about durability. The Dashcam Mini 2 is designed to withstand harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures. And as a bonus, it comes with a dual USB charger, giving you an extra USB charging port for your devices. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Its small size, high-quality video recording, voice control, and connected features make it a top choice for monitoring your vehicle's safety. Just remember to check the laws and regulations in your jurisdiction before using this device. Number 4. The Rove R2 to 4K Dashcam, a high-quality car dashboard camera that promises to take your driving experience to the next level. Let's start with the most impressive feature of this dashcam, its 4K Ultra HD recording capability. With a resolution of 2160p, this camera captures footage with remarkable clarity and detail. Even in low-light conditions, the Rove R2 to 4K excels, thanks to its revolutionary super night vision technology. The combination of the ultra-low light sensor NT96660 and the Sony IMX335 sensor ensures that your recordings are clear and crisp, no matter the lighting. Now let's talk about convenience. The Rove R2 to 4K comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to view and manage your recordings instantly on your iOS or Android device using the Rove app. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone and easily share them with friends and family on social media. But wait, there's more. This dashcam also includes a built-in GPS. It accurately records your driving location and speed, and you can view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with the included car DV player. The Rove R2 to 4K is packed with state-of-the-art technology. It has a wide range of features, including f1.8 apertures for superior image quality, parking mode for added security, motion detection, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens for capturing more of the road, and a G sensor for automatic event recording. And here's something that truly sets Rove apart: their customer-centric approach. As a Chicago-based company, they provide exceptional customer care. With a 1-year warranty, you can trust that Rove stands behind their product. They offer fast and responsive customer support via text or email, and if you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund within 30 days. So, if you're looking for a dashcam that delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD footage, advanced features, and excellent customer support, I highly recommend the Rove R2 to 4K dashcam. It's a game changer. Number 3. The REDTIGER 4K Dual Dashcam, the ultimate solution for capturing your journeys on the road. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the video quality. With its top-notch 4K front camera and 1080p rear cam, this dashcam captures incredibly detailed footage, ensuring you never miss important details like street signs or license plates. Plus, the wide-angle lens provides an extended view and reduces blind spots. What sets the REDTIGER apart is its built-in GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connection. The GPS module accurately tracks your vehicle's location and routes, and you can easily view this data on the intuitive REDTIGER app installed on your smart device. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to conveniently change settings, control the camera, view, download, and share your videos. Now let's talk about night vision. Thanks to the high-spec Starvis sensor, f1.5 aperture, 6-glass lens, and WDR and HDR technology, this dashcam delivers super clear images even in low-light conditions. You can drive with confidence knowing that you'll have crystal-clear footage day or night. Another impressive feature is the 24-hour non-stop parking monitor. If the dashcam detects a collision or intrusion, the built-in G sensor will activate and record a 15-second video, which will be automatically locked for future reference. Plus, the time-lapse mode ensures the safety of your vehicle by continuously monitoring the surroundings. And finally, let's talk about customer service. REDTIGER provides a generous 1-year warranty on their products. If you encounter any issues, their 24/7 technical support team is always ready to assist you. In conclusion, the REDTIGER 4K Dual Dash Cam is a powerful and reliable companion for your car. With its exceptional video quality, built-in GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, impressive night vision, and parking monitor feature, it's a must-have for every driver. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out the REDTIGER Dual Dash Cam today. Number 2. The Vantrue N43 Channel 4K Dash Cam. This impressive dash cam offers some amazing features that can help keep you safe on the road. So let's dive right in. The Vantrue N4 is a triple-channel dash cam, which means it simultaneously monitors the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle. With a 155 degrees front camera, a 165 degrees inside camera, and a 160 degrees rear camera, you'll have complete coverage of your surroundings. The front and rear dual recording mode provides a 4K 2160p resolution for the front camera and a 1080p resolution for the rear camera. Additionally, the rear camera is easily adjustable with a 360 degrees rotation and comes with a 20 feet extension cable, making it compatible with various vehicle types. For those who need to monitor the interior of their vehicle, the Vantrue N4 also offers a 1440p resolution for both the front and inside cameras. This is particularly useful for rideshare drivers who may need to provide proof of activities within their vehicle. One standout feature of this dash cam is its infrared night vision capabilities. Equipped with a high-performance Star VIS CMOS sensor and IR LED lights, the Vantrue N4 can capture clear footage even in complete darkness. This is perfect for rideshare drivers working during late hours. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N4 offers a 24-hour parking mode with two options: low bitrate recording and motion collision detection. The low bitrate recording continuously captures footage while decreasing the video quality to save storage space. On the other hand, the motion collision detection mode automatically starts recording when triggered by a motion or collision event. Lastly, Vantrue offers excellent customer support with an extendable 18-month warranty and 24-hour email assistance. They also provide firmware updates to improve the product and add new features. In conclusion, the Vantrue N43 Channel 4K Dash Cam is a powerful and reliable device that offers comprehensive coverage and advanced features. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just looking to enhance your vehicle's safety, this dash cam is definitely worth considering. Number 1. The Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. This feature-packed dash cam is designed to provide you with a fantastic video quality and a seamless recording experience. Let's talk about the video quality first. With its ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 FPS, this dash cam captures even the finest details, including number plates. But that's not all. You also have the option to record in 1440p HD at 60 FPS or 1080p HD at 120 FPS for smoother footage. Plus, the rear camera module records in full HD quality, giving you comprehensive coverage of your car. One standout feature is the What 3 Words integration. It provides you with your precise global location, even when you're offline. This can be incredibly helpful in emergency situations or when you need to share your location with friends or authorities. Now let's talk about image stabilization. The Nextbase 622GW incorporates advanced technology to reduce vibrations and deliver crystal-clear footage. You can see all the finer details, such as number plates and signs. and the super slow motion feature allows you to analyze footage in detail, ensuring that you don't miss any critical information. When it comes to night vision, the 622 gigawatts shines. Its larger pixels and automatic light detection enhance the image quality, even in low light conditions. Additionally, the extreme weather mode allows you to see through fog, providing the clearest image possible. Another impressive feature is the built-in Alexa. With tens of thousands of skills, you can control your music, make calls, get directions, and even control smart home devices, all with your voice. The HyperSync ultra-fast dual Wi-Fi ensures that you can quickly access your footage on your phone via the My Nextbase Connect app. To sum it up, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts dashcam is a top-of-the-line device that offers exceptional video quality, precise location tracking, image stabilization, enhanced night vision, and the convenience of Alexa integration. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich dashcam, I highly recommend the Nextbase 622 gigawatts. So that wraps up our list of the best dashcam. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Lock family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.